What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at XRP. So with the look of things right here, this chart is actually going to be made very, very clear to each and every one of us. From the monthly time frame right here, I want you to take a good look at this chart and tell me exactly what you see. Take a pause and tell me what you noticed right here. There's only one indicator right here, the weekly EMA. So I guess you've done that. If you couldn't like notice anything, that is the reason why. Sorry, that's the reason why I'm here. Now let's take a good look at XRP. We could see it clearly right here that from the monthly time frame, this is where the 50 EMA is currently at right here. The 50 EMA is currently at $1.12 for XRP. Now, for XRP to rally in November 2024, it rallied massively. It went as high as 600%. Now, come on, this crash is to be expected. This crash is definitely to be expected. So for XRP, I think the time I will start like investing in XRP is if XRP should dump all the way down here at 1.14, 1.15. So this is the best time to start investing in XRP. So I'll be putting this here from the monthly time frame right here. I don't know why. I think I'll be doing this like this. This is actually the right time to start investing in XRP, and this is also where the 200 EMA is currently at, or maybe I might have to drop it here. Yes, this is actually the right time to start investing in XRP. Yep. Now from the monthly time frame again, what you can also take note of is the fact that whenever, no matter how massive XRP rallies, you could see that it always dumps all the way down to the 50 EMA. Yeah, it always dumps all the way down to the 50 EMA on the monthly before, probably dropping a little bit low, ending up finding support around there, then rallying much higher. Then after it rallies, it always tries as much as it can to find support towards that 50 EMA range until it finally finds support around there, then rally. So this is definitely what we should be taking note of. So if this is the right time for you to invest in XRP, no, do not invest in XRP now. Is XRP a good investment? I'm not seeing XRP as an investment that I will have on my portfolio, but I will trade it in future. So I'll be opening a position for XRP around this level at a $1.1132. So this area is perfect for opening a long position for XRP. So guys, I'm back. You can see it clearly that I have put a text here to for me to know when is the right time for me to buy. I don't want to start opening on XRP now at all. I don't want to even start dollar cost averaging on XRP now. I want to only keep on dollar cost averaging on Bitcoin. Once in probably 3 months, I will save then buy. So if you look at things right here, this is currently what the monthly time frame is, so you definitely know what to expect. Because for XRP to rally this massively, we are definitely expecting some level of dump or correction. So definitely this is the perfect place to open a long position on XRP, because all the way from here, the next pump will be very, very massive for XRP, which will definitely make us some couple of millions, because I've made it known to each and one of us that we're definitely going to be making millions from next year, because I'll be leaving some trades open for like 2-3 years. So yep, I'll be sharing that journey with each and every one of us right here. So now is the right time for us to decode the market, analyze the market, how the market is going to be next year. So we look at things right here. We could also see that from the monthly time frame right here, XRP is also trying as much as it can to respect this trend line right here. So it is safe to say that this trend line is very, very valid for XRP. So you could see right here from the monthly time frame, this is actually something, this is actually a chart that is very valid. So whenever we get a pump, you could see whenever we get a pump, we always find a support around here. Whenever we get a pump, we find support around here. Whenever we get a pump, we find the support around here. You could see that's how it has been until we rallied. So right now that we're going to be rallying, worst case scenario, the market should go bad. We are most likely going to be dumping all the way down to 0.5305. 2.77 before we probably take off from here, rally much higher like this. So we look at things right here. If we should check when this market will actually come all the way down to this level, we could see that there is possibility that it can dump around May or July next year. So guys, now is not the time for you to invest in XRP at all. Now is not the time for you to invest in XRP. All you just have to do is wait, guys, wait. So yep, we look at things right here. This is definitely the long-term charts we need for XRP. Now if we go to the weekly time frame right here, we could see that even on the weekly, XRP has broken below the 50 EMA, and it is most likely dumping all the way down to the 200 EMA. And the 200 EMA, maybe we're going to find support around there, but we definitely could see that from the monthly time frame that the 200 EMA isn't actually like a level that XRP should be respecting. Because if I should check the charts right here, you could see that the 200 EMA hasn't actually been holding that good support for XRP, as we can see. So yep, maybe this might be the level where XRP will probably find support. Nobody knows the future. Maybe this will be the level where XRP will have to find support, but I doubt. But this is actually a long-term chart. So yep, that's just basically it in terms of from the monthly time frame. How I see XRP, I would say if I should use the fib level to look at XRP, I would say I would probably carry it all the way from this level all the way down to this level right here. So yep, I think this is definitely what we need to take note of. Then I'll change it to white. And yep, I think this is basically it. We're probably going to drop all the way down to this level right here on the weekly time frame. It seems like this is where the weekly 200 EMA is currently at 1.41. So you could see if I should change this to the weekly time frame right here, it is definitely around that level. Yep, so very good for us to take note of. This is going to be a very lengthy chart for XRP, because this is for you to take note of the fact that XRP is actually here to stay too, and I'll definitely be talking or investing in XRP for future purpose, like future derivative, not spot. So yeah, this is basically it. Worst case scenario, best place to open a long position for XRP is at 1.128. Then use a very little leverage. If you decide jumping all the way down to this trend line right here, we'll keep on dollar cost averaging until it dumps all the way down to 0.6145. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. That is basically it. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.